Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. My name is Jaden Pedersen and I like to make videos just for you guys. So today we're actually going to be doing some more stuff with the diffuser, and I've got all the stuff in the back, so I'm just going to take the car around the back so it's easier for me to work on instead of taking it to the front. So yeah, let's just get this puppy on the road. Alright, so we got the car in the back here. It's just filthy, so I'm going to give her a clean as well today, and yeah, hopefully the best. So this is the diffuser. So some of you guys know that I started out with this sort of shape, and now as much as I thought that was cool, I didn't like how there was all this open space right here. So I then created this little template, and then I still didn't like it because, you know, I didn't like how it was angling down. Now this is the template that I'm roughly going to go with. I'm still yet to put a slit in here so I can mount it through here like that. So she's going to mount really good. Good. I'm just going to be using this Dremel tool to make the defined cuts and stuff like that, like grinding it out and stuff like that, so hopefully she doesn't snap. Sorry I haven't been filming much, the compressor's been going non-stop as you can hear, but this is the test fit. So there's going to be 8 of these bad boys, and Jasper wants to help. Excuse me, Mr. Move! Alright, so I haven't updated you guys in a while, and I managed to cut all these out roughly, but now I need to cut the little slits in and also make it all nice and smooth. I keep cutting myself with this stupid angle grinder, which is no good, but yeah, so all the major cutting is all done. Just need to do all the light sanding and stuff like that, make it all smooth. But yeah, as you guys can see, I've propped in one. I can prop in another one if I want to, but I'm going to show you guys the end result in a little bit. The next clip that you'll see is me completing the look that I'm going for, so hope you guys enjoy. And here we have it, guys. So that's the final look that I'm going for, but I just need to tidy it up by getting the sander and sanding all the edges down so it looks nice and smooth. But yeah, otherwise than that, it looks good. I sort of wanted to finish this whole video today, but doesn't look like I can because the carbon fiber weave that I ordered is still not here. So yeah, don't know what to do. Looks like I'll just have to sand it and wait until the carbon fiber weave comes in. Yeah, wow, it was daytime when I started this. Now it's night time. She's dark as anything. Yeah, so I fully detailed the car inside and out, put leather shampoo or leather conditioner in the seats so it can soak in overnight and it's going to be nice and soft. But with this, so all of these fit nice, just need to sand them all down and make them all look presentable, and then we can do it in carbon fibre. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to leave today's video. I am buggered. I've been working on this car non-stop, doing this diffuser. I started at 9 o'clock and now it's just over 7 o'clock. So yeah, I'm buggered. So I'm going to go have a shower and go have the dinner and hit the hay, and yep, that's all I can say. But if you guys like this content, slap a like and subscribe so I know to do more in the future. Until next time, stay fresh, stay clean, and I'll see you guys in the next scene. Yeah, you.